Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Today we will discuss implements, tools, and equipment. Open your book because class is in session. Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. I'm your instructor, Charles Howard. The practice of barbering requires a variety of implements, tools, and equipment. Using the best quality tools will not only save time and effort, but also provide better results for the client. As a barber, you will rely on many tools and implements, including combs, brushes, shears, clippers, outliners, and razors. You will also use appliances such as blow dryers and thermal styling tools to finish and style. You should choose the right tool or implement for the job based on your understanding of its purpose and how to use it properly. One common thing that all barbers use is combs. A good comb should be slightly flexible with smooth, rounded teeth that glide easily through hair without snagging individual strands. Another common thing that all barbers use is shears. Your hair cutting shears are one of the most important tools you will use when cutting hair. Barber shears are available in two basic styles. The French style, which has a small finger rest called a tang, and the German style, which does not. Barbers often choose a French-style barber shear because of the tang, which helps them balance and control the tool during cutting. Right-handed shears and left-handed shears are quite different, with their cutting blades disposed differently and their handles assembled in the opposite direction. Simple hand switching or turning the shears over will not make them functionally useful to left-handed barbers. Finally, let's discuss clippers. Today's barber has a number of clipper options available to him. Whether you go for a detachable blade clipper or an adjustable blade clipper, barbers use clippers to give customers various styles and cuts. When I started cutting, there was no such thing as a cordless clipper. Now my entire arsenal is cordless, and I love it. Today, we have discussed implements, tools, and equipment. We discussed combs and how to detect if you have a good one. We also talked about shears and their different styles. And lastly, we touched on clippers and how there are many options available. Here's your assignment. Make sure that you watch General Anatomy and Physiology and subscribe to the channel so that you are notified when a new video comes out. If you like this video, make sure that you like and share it. You can find us on Facebook and TikTok at Howard Brown Online. And if you'd like more information about our Barber Bootcamp, visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Remember that barbering starts in the book. Class dismissed.